Ever heard someone say entrepreneur, but totally butcher the word? Let's fix that, once and for all, in 5 accents, 5 styles, and 1 real meaning. Today's word is entrepreneur, spelled E-N-T-R-E-P-R-E-N-E-U-R. It's a noun, and it means someone who starts and runs a business, often taking big risks to make it succeed. In simple words, an entrepreneur is someone who takes an idea, starts a business, and works hard to grow it, even if there's a risk of failure. Let's understand it better with a few simple examples. My sister is an entrepreneur who started her own bakery. An entrepreneur takes risks to build a new business. All right, let's look at a few other forms of the word entrepreneur you'll hear around. First, the main word. Entrepreneur as a noun is the person who starts a business. She's a successful entrepreneur in the tech industry. Then we've got the adjective, entrepreneurial. This describes the mindset or quality. He's got an entrepreneurial spirit, means he thinks like a business builder. And finally, entrepreneurship. That's the whole process or concept of building and running a business. Entrepreneurship is about solving problems, not just making money. Pretty cool how one word can turn into many, right? Now let's hear how entrepreneur is pronounced around the world.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. With clear syllables, slightly formal tone. The entrepreneur launched her startup in London.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. R at the end is strong and rounded. He's a young entrepreneur from New York.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. A bit nasal, softer final sound. She became an entrepreneur at just 21.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Very close to Aussie, but with a flatter tone. That Kiwi entrepreneur just sold his app to Google.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Crisp and slightly British, but tighter vowel sounds. The entrepreneur built a clothing brand from scratch.
So whether you say entrepreneur, entrepreneur, or entrepreneur, one thing's clear, it's not just a word, it's a mindset. Which accent was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And suggest the next word you'd like us to cover. 1 word a day, 5 accents, and perfect English. See you in the next video, right here on The Honest Mirror.